Hey, New Yorkers need to pay your state taxes online, whether it's income tax, estimated payments, or tax bill. The New York State Tax Department's website makes it quick and secure. I'll walk you through the steps to pay online using an account or without one. So firstly, guys, of course, you need to go to the same website I'm on, which is tax.ny.gov, and review your tax return or bill to confirm the amounts due. For 2025 income tax was due April 15, but extensions go until October 15. For estimated taxes due to quarterly, use Form IT 2105. I forgot my bill's case number once, grab it from your notice to save time. After that, you go to tax.ny.gov, click Online Services, and go into or create an individual online services account using your social security number and a PIN if provided. From Account Summary, select Payments, Bills, and Notices. Make a payment. Choose the bank account, free or credit card, which is 2.45% fee via Wells Fargo. Enter your amounts and submit. Schedule payments up to due dates like April 15th. No account, you can also make a payment and then QuickPay. Enter your social security number, filling status, zip code, and bill's case number. Then pay via bank accounts, which is free, or credit card, which has fees. Bank payments show as NYS tax payments or statements. QuickPay is great for one-off payments, but does not save details. Save your transaction confirmation and check your bank statement or online services payments history to verify. If you can't pay in full, request a installment payment agreement, which is IPA online. Also, pro tip, go paperless for e-bills to avoid missing notices. Question? Well, share it below, like and subscribe, guys, and ring the bell for more tax tips. See you next time.